What is food waste? According to the United Nations, food waste is food that is either discarded or lost uneaten. About 1/3 of global food population is lost or wasted annually, which is equivalent to 1.3 billion tonnes of food with a value of $1 trillion. In low-income countries, most of this loss occurs during the production and processing, whilst in developed countries, most food is wasted at the consumption stage, either by retailers or consumers. How is this linked to world population pressure? As the world population grows, the pressure on its natural resources increases. Throwing away food not only wastes the product, but also the resources involved in its manufacture, such as land, water, fertilisers, labour, machinery and money. Besides the waste of resources, food waste also has a negative effect on the environment because the process of transporting and distributing food produces large greenhouse gas emissions. In a world of 7 billion people, set to grow to 9 billion by 2050, wasting food makes no sense economically, environmentally or ethically, according to the United Nations Under-Secretary Steiner. What product inspired us? This is a smart meter, an electronic device that helps people to see continuously how much electricity they are using. The sensor is attached to the main electricity meter, and the amount used is transmitted wirelessly to a display in the house or building. This reduces emissions by enabling people to see easily the amount of electricity they are using, which can help them to identify if electricity is being wasted. This inspired us to find a way to help give people more information and data in order to allow them to make more efficient, informed food purchases. How does our innovation work? This is the homepage of our iSave website, which is designed to generate a week's worth of recipes and shopping lists that minimise food waste. Not only will it reduce food waste, but it will also save people time, money and the often laborious process of deciding what to eat for the week. First, consumers select the number of days they intend to shop for, the number of adults and children and the budget of their shop. The app then allows users to select different styles of cooking that they like, including everything from British classics to authentic Chinese cuisine, as well as any dietary requirements that they may have. The real innovation is the way in which the iSave algorithm generates the recipes and the final shopping list. The focus is entirely on producing a shopping basket that minimises food waste, which it does in several ways. The algorithm generates a week's worth of recipes that use similar ingredients so as to avoid waste. For example, carrots and tomatoes might be used in a salad on Monday, a bolognese on Wednesday, and finally a carrot and tomato soup on Friday, thus using the ingredients as efficiently as possible. The website will also sort the order in which meals are prepared over the course of a week so that perishable ingredients are used first. There will also be provisions to use ingredients at different stages of their life for different dishes. For example, apples could be used in a salad earlier in the week where they need to be fresh, and then used in a fruit salad or spice later in the week where the quality doesn't need to be as high. The website will also generate a shopping list with the exact amounts required based on the number of times the ingredients will be used across the week, how much is required, and the portion sizes. This is intended to stop people overbuying by giving them exact information as to how much food is needed. Once the recipes have been selected by the user and the shopping list generated, the website will then compare the price of their shopping list at different retailers, allowing them to compare prices. How does the business work? We chose to target households since 50% of the total amount of food thrown away in the UK comes from our homes, and this is equivalent to 7.2 million tonnes of food waste. We also tailored our product to families with children because we thought the more people in a family, the greater the potential to save food waste. Families with children also have the largest cost saving to make at £680 a year, equivalent to £50 a month, so are likely to be the most receptive to our product. The main source of revenue will come from advertising and referrals. Advertising revenue will primarily consist of selling advertising space on the website and from product placements. For example, a company like Heinz or Kraft Foods might choose to advertise their products on our website or pay for their products to be included in our recipes. iSave will also generate referrals as a result of consumers being directed from our website to theirs. This will work on both a pay-per-click and successful sale basis, and we anticipate this source of revenue will be generated by food retailers such as Marks and Spencer and Tesco's. The only direct competition is from food retailers Tesco and Sainsbury's. The Tesco Real Food Planner has a similar filter design which allows users to customise their own recipes by setting dietary and ingredient preferences. Sainsbury's meal planner functions in a similar way with a categorised shopping list for ingredients which give customers a clearer view on what they need to purchase. Though these offerings have some features in common with our product, they do not address the problem of food waste and are primarily aimed at driving sales at their respective retail outlets. An independent offering that primarily aims to reduce food waste while also delivering value to customers through recipe generation and shopping basket price comparison is therefore a strong and innovative proposition. We believe such a product has the potential to reduce food waste by providing data and analytics to help consumers make more efficient food purchasing decisions.